Let's take a look at the EdQualis Dashboard for faculty. In the top right corner is your name, role, and logout button. You'll see the messages icon on the top right as well. The 5 rectangles tell you how many classes you have, courses you have access to, assessments that you've published, any collaboration spaces you're involved with, and any notes you've taken. You can view that specific information by clicking View Classes, Courses, and so on. There are 5 panels on the dashboard for faculty: Messages, Announcements, Tasks, Student Support, and the Calendar. The Messages panel shows you a snapshot of your inbox. You can create new messages by clicking the plus sign. Any announcements pertaining to you will appear in the Announcements panel. You'll be sent any assigned tasks in the Tasks panel. These tasks could include anything from creating a lesson or creating an assessment for a lesson. You can filter task type by clicking the drop-down menu. When students need extra help from you, you'll get a request in the Student Support panel. The last panel is your calendar, and you can create a new calendar event by clicking the plus sign. This is just an overview of the dashboard for faculty. Each feature and item covered in this video has a specific and more detailed tutorial for it. Keep watching our EdQualis videos to learn how to use each feature and tool.